I will alternate between 2 different type of teas. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to House of Organic Beauty. So my fan is on. Hopefully I am loud enough. Let me just turn it off. My garage door is open. So in this video, I'll just be explaining what tea I use to make this concoction here. So the tea I've been using for the past few months, I think 2 months, is this tea that is made with nettle tea, green tea, fenugreek seeds, and black seeds. To use the fenugreek seeds, you would have to soak the seeds overnight, and then the next day it'll give you this gold color. I'll usually mix the fenugreek seed with black seed, and I would soak that overnight, and then the next day I would boil some water, and then I would make the nettle tea and the green tea that day. Okay, currently this is my hair. Okay, it's only been not even a week, it's been a few days. I would apply this tea every other day depending if I remember to do so. I would also put some essential oils in there. The main essential oils I would use is lavender essential oil and rosemary, and sometimes I would drizzle a little bit of MSM into the tea as well, because I heard that stuff is good for your hair too. So I would just spray it mostly on my scalp. My hair is fairly moisturized, so I'll just spray it to my scalp. It kind of smells, it has a nice smell now because I put essential oils in there, so it kind of smells like lavender. But I would apply it to the scalp of my hair, not too much, and I would apply it to the strands too. This time around, this tea is a little bit on the thicker side, but that's okay. And I make a little bit because you don't want to make a lot and not use it. You want to use this tea within like a week, and you don't need that much. So this would last me probably like maybe a week. Honestly, I would use this on me and my youngest daughter's scalp, and the oldest daughter too, but not really. Mostly on my hair, because I like testing stuff on my hair first, and then I would use it on my kids' hair. But because me and my youngest daughter, we are the ones that are shedding, I use it on both of our hair, but mostly my hair. So I would massage. I have a scalp massager, so I will use that. I will put a bonnet on and then use the scalp massager. The scalp massager is very powerful, so if I don't put a bonnet on, I feel like it's like going to snatch out my brain, all my little hair, you know. So go like this, and then that's it. That is how I use my tea. You know, massage it for like about 3 minutes. I don't want to go crazy, you know what I mean? Especially the edges. This is my problem area right here, and right here is like very sensitive. Right now it's not that sensitive, but when I start like detangling it, it's very sensitive. It feels very good. I will put down the benefits of everything that I do use down in the description box, so check that out. You can make your own tea. I will probably do a video of me making the tea so you can have a visual idea on what I do and what to do. But hair feeling good. Don't need to apply any oils, butters, leave-in conditioner, because it is highly moisturized. So I don't need to apply anything right now. This is how it's looking. So this is not a long video. I just wanted to show you guys exactly how I apply this tea to my hair. Hair is feeling bomb. I feel like I'm getting my regimen back. Not my regimen, but I feel like everything is normalizing, if that's even a word. Everything is coming back to normal. I'm very excited about that. That is very important for me. I can't wait to get my little mini twist back in and my braids back in, because that protective style grows hair like crazy. Like this protective style too, it doesn't have to be small. That's how I got my hair this length, and it's growing still. My goal for my hair is booty crack length by 2000, God willing, if you know, 2024. It needs to be to my butt. Like right now is at waist length. Yeah, right now is at waist length, but you can't really see, you can't really tell. So I want my twist without stretching. I want it to reach right here, and when you stretch it, it'll reach like my waist with no problem. You know, you understand where I'm coming from. So right now it's right here with you stretching it. Okay, I want it right here when you don't stretch it. So I want it like right there. Oh, you saw a little bit. Ooh, I want it like right here. And when it's not stretched, I want it to be right here. So you like my shirt, faith over, no, what was it? Faith over fear. I claim that in Jesus' name. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to visit my store at www.houseoforganicbeauty.com. Yes, go check it out. Okay, honey, go support your girl if you want to, of course. You know, it's up to you. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so when I do upload videos, you guys will be the first to know. You want to know, right? And also, let me know what type of content you want me to show. Let me know what you want me to talk about. I will be having my hair journey video coming out soon. It's a struggle because, guys, it's a whole movie. Like, try to get pictures. Like, I'm trying to retrieve pictures that I had, like, when I was, you know, way back when, a shorty, you know? But it is hard. But it is all good. So, hope you guys like my hair. Hope you guys like this video. And, as always, guys, be blessed. Deuces.